To explain how to use a z-table, let's apply an example. So imagine na ani si Zagikon nga anang scenario where we compare the test result from the two students, Zoe and Mike. So Zoe took the act and scored at 25. So si Zoe daw nakakuha og 25, naka-scored og 25, while Mike took the SAT and scored 1,150. Amo ni ang score ni Mike. Both of these scores are represented as normal distribution. Which of the test takers scored better? So sino kuno yung nakascore og better nila? And what proportions of people scored worse than Zoe and Mike? Sama ni za ang kuha nila. Zoe scored a 25 on her act. Mike scored a 1,150 on his SAT. Which of the two test takers scored better on their respective test? What proportion of people scored worse than Zoe and Mike? Assume both tests have nearly normal distribution. Minsan, act scores n mean equals 20, standard deviation equals 4, SAT scores kay n mean equals 1,000, I mean kay 1,000, then ang standard deviation is 150.
Calculate z-score. To answer the above question, we have to first use z-score formula to calculate z-score for Zoe and Mike. The formula for calculating z-score is x or z equals x minus mean divided by the standard deviation. ECT z-score Zoe. Z equals 25 minus 20 over 4. Z equals 1.25. SAT score Mike. Z equals 1,150 minus 1,000 over 150. Z equals 1.0. Use the z-score to find probability and on a z-table. We'll know that Zoe performed better than Mike because of her higher z-score. A z-table can tell you in what percentile each of the test takers are in. We will use two positive z-tables since both Zoe and Mike z-score are positive and greater than the mean value of 0 point. The following partial z-table cut off to save space can tell you the area underneath the curve to the left of our z-score. This is percentage of the student that score less than Zoe or Mike. Find Zoe's z-score probability. To use the table, start on the left side of the table and go down to 1.2 point, and the top of the table go to 0.05 point. The correspond to the value of 1.2 plus 0 of 0.05 equals 1.25. The value of the table is 0.8944, which is probability rule 89.44% of people score worse than Zoe on the ECT. Find Mike's z-score probability. Mike's z-score was 1.0 point. To use the z-table, start on the left side of the table and go down to 1.0 point. Now at the top of the table, go to 0.00 point. This corresponds to the value of 1.0 plus 0.00 equals 1.00 point. The value in the table is 0.8413, which is probability rule 84.13% of people score worse than Mike on the ECT. Table of standard normal probabilities for positive z-score. The red color determine Mike Z-score probability. And the blue color determine Zoo Z-score probability.